Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save presets in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to create a new project. And basically you can do that from File menu, New Project, and then you choose your aspect ratio. For example, you can choose any aspect ratio that you would like. So from here, you will be needing like to import your project, etc. So here, I'm just going to open this project and basically we can start uh, choosing from these videos, etc. So now you will be needing like to start your editing. You will be adding text, effects like from here, filters or whatever on your projects. And basically you will want to create a preset. That means you will want or you will need to create a template in Filmora so you can be able like to change it each time or start working on it. And you can simply do that by going to the file menu, and from here you will be able like to save your project as a template. And basically by templates you will be able like to change all the elements that you would like. So here let's just go to file and save projects as templates. So as you can see, now we have our project that's became a template. So I'm just going to pass it here. As you can see, the whole thing has been added, and this is our presets. As you can see, this is the text that we had already added, and you will be able like to start like modifying it each time, and you will have a saved presets that you can work on. And as you can see, basically those were the steps on how to save presets in Filmora. Thank you for watching and see you next time.